guys, Jade Alpine Companies. We got a few hundred ports to install in this project. I like to use the Simpsons. It's a good epoxy port. It's a little pricey, but you know, you get the job done, and when you're finished injecting, you know that crack's going to be sealed up nice and tight. I got about half the ports put on this project already, roughly. Depending on the size of the crack is kind of how I decide the gap of my ports that I install. This tunnel here has quite a bit of them. You can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch over 2,000 videos of my projects. I've been doing epoxy injection here in town for over 25 years. Once the ports are installed, we seal this crack between each port. We're going to seal around each port again. We're going to be using a real low viscosity injection material, so if there's any chance for anything to leak out, it'll find a way. Jade Alpine, gonna have quite a few videos to this project. Check us out if you need epoxy injection. I'll see you guys on the next video.